Hey, I'm glad you guys are here. Welcome to my channel. So, today I'll be painting a watercolor scenery, a very simple one using simple colors. So, let's get started. I'm damping the paper first. It's easier the color to flow on a damp paper. Starting off with blue, I'm gradually moving from lighter to darker. Tip number 1, don't use too much water on paper. It can tear the paper. So try to use a thicker paper for watercolor. That's better. After letting it dry for some time, let's paint the clouds. I'm using blue and purple here. Starting with a random cloud shape. Also using a lighter color here for the clouds. Fill in the cloud. It may look worse, but trust me, it will come out good. Try to keep a definite proportion of water and colors because the color may fade after drying. And I'm almost done painting the clouds. I'll move on further. I'm taking black now. I'll link down the inspiration of this painting from Pinterest. You may check it out. Painting leaves may seem tough, but trust me, draw any figure with a brush, it will turn out good. We'll draw the branches and cover it up. I'm just putting the dots in and there's nothing more. I'll be drawing some wires now and I'll be using this brush. You may use a black pen or a thinner brush, but I think this may do the work. I'm just painting a small moon with white color. It seems invisible now, but I guess it will show up. And I'm painting a little dots and lights. And I guess it's done. So let's open the tape. The most satisfying part of the painting, I must say. And also I took some pictures for Instagram and just decorated the background. I guess it turned out good. It's looking good, I guess. So what's your thought on this? Comment down below and let me know. And finally, thank you for watching this long, and if you need more watercolor tutorials, let me know. Bye bye. Ending the video with a sleepy head, by the way.